This is the review of the Remington TAC-1 Airsoft shotgun. It's a pump shotgun. It's got 350 FPS. It's a very good shotgun, but these things are just attachments that I've added, this red dot sight and this flashlight. I'll show you those. And then there's the red dot sight. It's about $5 from Academy. And here's the magazine. It's got the wheel to load the BBs up into it. It holds about, I don't know, 200 BBs. It's a good size mag. I'd say that the best BBs to use with a shotgun would be the 12-gram BBs. And it's got the adjustable buttstock and the strap. Those both come with the gun. And it's got an adjustable hop-up. And now we're going to take you out to the field test. This shot's about 10 yards away from the can. Here's the damage that the BB did to the can. This shot's from about 15 yards away. Now, as you can see, it didn't have enough force to knock the can down that time, but it still made a good sized dent in the can. This about rounds up my review of the Remington TAC-1 Airsoft pump action shotgun. This is a great gun. It comes decked out with about as many Weaver rails as you could ever ask for. To put on those Weaver rails, something that I would recommend is the Tactical Performance red dot sight from Academy. It's only $5. It's a really good buy. So if you need, it helps because this gun's a little hard to fire from the hip from. So the Tactical Performance red dot sight is a great idea if you're going to get this gun. All right, and that concludes this review. Come back again for some more reviews for airsoft guns by Airsoft Expert 101.